Welcome, in front of me is a Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From Settings, scroll down to Storage. Here we go, Storage and USB. Tap on your SD card. Then tap on the three settings, go to Settings, and choose Format. Now it will give you a message that performing this will remove everything from the card, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, tap on Erase and Format. The process will begin, and it only takes a couple minutes, or not minutes but seconds. And there we go, as you can see it's already finished. So click on Done and you're completely done with the process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.